Today we learn the alphabet E. E. E for egg. E for elephant. E.
A, B, C,
E for
D,
egg.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing
Bunny
with me?
Playing with egg. You can
A,
see
B, C, D, E,
Bunny
F,
word.
G,
Bunny
H, I,
playing
J,
with
K,
egg.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
Yellow,
W,
orange,
X, Y, and Z.
red,
Now I know my
green.
ABCs. Next time, won't you
Yellow
sing
egg.
with me?
Orange color egg, blue color egg, red color egg, and green color egg. Orange color, white color,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
and
W,
blue color
X,
egg.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you
These
sing
are
with
all
me?
multicolor eggs. You can see all type of
A,
eggs
B,
like
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
blue,
Q, R,
red,
S,
green,
T, U,
orange.
V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
pink, multicolor, and orange color egg. So in this video we learn egg. E for egg.